180 pounds with acne scars and a 3 to 5 day growth of beard, and was seen driving an older red Toyota pickup truck with scrap metal and or tools in the back. Students are being advised to walk in pairs or large groups.
Holy shit! I'm in front of Burger King on Bear Valley, and tumbleweeds are coming over the wall. Would you look at that? Look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, yeah. Okay. I think we have a storm coming. Woohoo! Would you look at that? Here they come.
Today, winter storm warning for all of the mountains here in Southern California through Sunday afternoon. We're looking at some strong, heavy rain showers coming down as well. Could see some thunderstorms out there and could even see some water spouts along the Pacific for you today. Temperatures, of course, staying cool, only making it into the low 50s. And we're looking at more rain on the way as we head towards Sunday. And it's the LA Marathon tomorrow, so all you runners better get ready for a wet race.
Uh-oh. Here they come.
KNX 1070 News Radio forecast.
They're flying.
51 degrees, Irvine 54, Lancaster 51, Pasadena 52.
This car,
55, and it's 53 in beautiful Newberry Park.
this car is shaking.
Your money, your life. Here's Bob McCormick with Money 101.
If you just spend $50.75 or $100 on massage, you know what you really got for the money. We got some scientific evidence of what good it does a body. The Wall Street Journal quotes science.
Okay, that's about it.